Hello, comrades. As you already know, it's been everywhere. The news is everywhere. People got airdrops large amounts of money from Arbitrum. Some people receive between 600 to $50,000 free money. And I know for anybody who missed it, that must have hurt a lot, right? Must have really burnt you. But not to worry, that's the beautiful thing about the cryptoverse or the crypto space. There is always the next opportunity. And the next opportunity that has been heavily rumored right now is Zksync. So, how can we take advantage of Zksync? Okay, so first of all, what is Zksync? It's basically a layer 2 protocol that makes Ethereum work faster, smoother, and cheaper. So, as you can imagine, a lot of people are jumping on board this one already. And rumor has it that, or rather, information has it that Zksync has 4 times the funding of Arbitrum. So you don't want to miss this. Meaning, whatever Arbitrum gave in terms of airdrop, you could get it times 4 if you participate in Zksyncs. So the first thing we want to do is to set up Metamask or a Zksync wallet like Argent. But for the purpose of this particular video, we're just going to use Metamask. I already have my Metamask here set up, as you can see. But if you don't, all you have to do is come on over to Google and just click on and just type Metamask extension. And most likely the very first result there will be to add to Chrome. So for me, it's saying remove from Chrome because I've already installed it. So for you, it will be add to Chrome. That is if you don't have MetaMask. So once you add to Chrome, you go through all the steps, copy down your or secure your keyword phrase. If you're importing the wallet, import. If not, just secure your keyword phrase and get get going. So you can have a page like this, although there might not be money in yours. I just transferred this funds here because I wanted to because I knew I was going to record this video. So let's get back into it. Once you have your MetaMask set up and have funded it, yeah, about the funding, you're going to buy from a centralized exchange. I have a video on this channel teaching you exactly how to do that, or you can, buy from independent contractors or independent vendors. The second thing we want to do is to add funds to our Zksync with Orbiter Bridge. So this Orbiter Bridge or Orbiter Finance works with Zksync. So this is it. I already have it open here. And the first thing you want to do here now is to connect. I want to connect my MetaMask wallet to Orbiter.finance. And boom, we're connected. As you can see, I can even see my balance ETH here. Which blockchain am I transferring to now? I'm transferring to Zksync. So I'm going to look for Zksync. Okay, I think it's called Zksync Lite. It's saying insufficient funds. Yeah, that's because I haven't transferred the money yet. So I'm just going to do max. Yeah, if you notice, I transferred, let me see, that's how much in dollars, about 20 Ethereum. I mean $20 worth of Ethereum, 0.019119 Ethereum. So I'm not going to do max so that I can have some funds for to use as transaction fees eventually. This one is 0.08. Okay. So I'll click on send. Okay, so confirm and send. And I'll see this pop up here. Okay, so the value of what I'm transferring is 14.59. Okay, so I'm just going to click on confirm. See the estimated gas fees is just 0.67, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so sending from Ethereum to Zksync. The next thing we're going to do after that is to exchange. We're going to do some swapping at Zig Zag Exchange, but we can't do that right now until we have money on our Zksync wallet or account. Okay. Oh, right. Can you see that transaction completed? Okay, so we're done with Arbitrum. The next thing we want to do now is to go over to Zig Zag Exchange and start swapping. Okay, so this is trade.zigzag.exchange. And as you can see, it's just like every other exchange. The functions are the same, even though it looks a little bit different. So as you can see, there's the buy, they have the buy sell order and the limit market order. So for the market order is just like market execution. It picks a particular price, which is most likely the price maybe that is displayed here. But for limit order, then I'll need to pick the price at which I want to buy, and also the time. So usually I prefer to use market order because I don't want to have to start writing stuff down there. Anyway, so as you can see, it hasn't, because we have connected our wallet, it has it's reflecting our ETH balance right here. So I want to swap some ETH for USDC or USDC for ETH. So what I want to do now is to sell because I have some ETH. So I want to exchange my ETH for USDC. So I have imputed the figure that I have there, or I could come here. If I don't want to type manually, I could just come here and yeah, it will. Yeah, so let me say I want to do 75% of the ETH that I have. And you can see the fee right here is just 0.40. So I'm going to click on sell. And of course, I need to sign the transaction on my Metamask. This is going to be the same on mobile. It's just a smaller screen. I'll try it on mobile and also record it for you. So you see ETH USDC sell order successful. So I have officially interacted with this exchange. So I can come back now to buy, and I believe that that's going to work now. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just going to buy back my ETH, 100% buy. And if you're wondering, or if you're curious about where it's pulling the network fees, it's pulling it from the ETH that I have here in my MetaMask. You remember when I didn't want to pull out everything? So I have used the swap function, and that's cool. So what I want to do now, let's go and see the next step. We need, now that we're done with swapping, I think we need to remove our funds here and take it back to Ethereum. The funds from Zksync and take it back to Ethereum. So I'm just going to do max. I want to transfer from Zksync now to Ethereum. Here as well. I know the first bridge we used was the Orbiter bridge. So I want to use the bridge function on Zigzag, on trade.zigzag, to get all my ETH out of here. So I'm transferring from Zksync mainnet. Just in case you're wondering what ZK stands for, it stands for zero knowledge. So I'm transferring from Zksync to my Ethereum mainnet, and I want to take back everything. So the bridge fee is going to be $1.79. Bridge transaction pending, successfully withdrew this ETH into your Ethereum wallet. Fast withdrawal should be confirmed within a few minutes. All right, so as you can see right here, I have my ETH back. Seriously sliced, by the way, but it's all good. So this transaction has cost me about transaction that cost me about $6-7, but I have successfully interacted with Zksync, right? Next step is to mint an NFT using Pinata. So as you can see right here, I have a Twitter thread that I found useful, and I'm just going to follow the steps to do that. What I want to do is how to mint an NFT on Zksync. why are we minting an NFT or why are we doing all these things? The more tasks we perform on the blockchain, the higher our chances of receiving an airdrop. So, or even when we do receive the airdrop, I think this also has a way of impacting how much we do get airdropped. That's why you see some people receive like $600 and some people are receiving as much as $10,000. So yeah, we want to mint an NFT now on Zksync mainnet for possible airdrop. So first thing we want to do is to click on this link, pinata.cloud, and we'll be taken over there. Never mind, I'm going to have all the links in the description. Oh, click on start building. Okay, so after clicking on start building, I'm going to enter my email here. .com. So I'll click on create. I'll click on creator, and then on the next slide, I want to put in my first name and yeah, send confirmation. An account with a given email already exists. Yes, because I tried to do this earlier on. So for you, you will just receive confirmation and create your account. So what I want to do right now is to log in. All right, and then input my password. All right, so let's come back to the Twitter post to see what next to do. So on the next slide, input your name and password. Okay, so you confirm the code. We have jumped a lot of steps. So next is to check in your dashboard, then tap on the add file option. Select file, upload from your gallery, any picture of your choice. All right, so are we seeing, let me just close this out, add files. So click on add files. Can you see that right there? Okay, so I'm going to select a file from my gallery. And see the uploaded file and the CID long code that looks like a wallet address. I think this is what he's talking about. And if I come back here, okay, so this is what's talking about. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this as instructed. In your wallet, switch to ETH mainnet and then head over. So that's your wallet. We are still on ETH mainnet. So we're going to just come on over here and click on light.zksync.io and follow the connect your wallet using either Ethereum wallet or Wallet Connect, anyone that works for you. Okay, so let's connect Ethereum wallet, which is Metamask. And the usual, we're just gonna have to connect. Oh, and then now we're connected. Boom. Okay, so now if you have used Zksync mainnet before, you do not have an issue. But if not, you need some good amount of ETH, like $10 worth to bridge to Zksync and then activate your wallet on Zksync. Okay, but we already did that in the previous step. We've already activated our wallet, and now we're ready to shoot. We have some ETH balance on Zksync. I don't have any ETH balance on Zksync. We removed everything. That was a mistake. Go down, you find the NFT section, click on it and get ready to mint. So, oh, it's up here. So I've clicked on NFT. No NFT tokens yet. You can either mint or request them from someone. So we have clicked on mint. Is it not enough ETH to pay for the fees? Oh God, we made a mistake. Please don't make this mistake when you're doing yours. I should have left a bit more ETH here. All right, so we need to transfer some more ETH back here. Should have just left some ETH there. Okay, so that was smooth. So let me refresh this. So okay, but you see that error message is gone. Remember what we copied from here. Okay, so this was what we copied. I've copied it again. Okay, so I'm going to copy the CID code here, paste, and click on authorize NFT. Now mint the NFT. That's what's going to cost us to do this. So proceed to mint NFT. Follow the instructions. Yep, sign. Okay, so we have successfully followed the steps and minted our NFT. And sorry, you see, he's also advising that we do some other transactions like swapping and bridging and using Orbiter Finance. We have already done those. We used Orbiter and we also use Zig Zag. Anyway, so that's it. I think we're better placed now for receiving a possible airdrop when that happens. So remember, Zksync raised a whooping $380 million. Remember what I first said, that they raised 4 times, they got 4 times more funding than Arbitrum. So that's the figure there. Raised a whooping $380 million. Airdrop would definitely happen. Now, so the final step is to go to Discord and connect your join just go to Discord and join their server. I don't want to do that on PC. I'll do it on mobile. So that's it for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.